M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Kenwood TS-2000. Kenwood have given us the MCP2000 for writing new memories to our radio for free. So let's give it a go. I'll show you the link to download, which is just here, and it will be in the description. We've also got firmware, memory control, but the other really cool program is the ARCP, and I will show you that at the end because that's fantastic. But anyway, for ease of writing memories, click the download, go up to my, well, it takes you to this page, scroll down, and there it is there, MCP. Just click that, and you'll see it goes up to my downloads, and you click your downloads, and then just click, 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 run this all the way. We've already done that, and it will appear as a shortcut. Just if you hit your blue Windows square, and it will show up there as MCP2000. I've got the other one there as well, which is the ARCP2000. Anyway, you do need a cable, so go over to, say, somewhere like Amazon, and you need the RS232 cable, and get one with the little adapter because it won't fit if you get the standard cable. So you want get the one that goes to USB as well. It's going to be a lot easier in the modern world. There's your little adapter there, and I'll show you the back of the radio. So you plug it in here where it says D sub 9 pin, it says just there. So plug it in there, and the other end, the USB end, into your PC. When you right click on your PC, right click Device Manager, you'll see a port appear like so. Okay, COM8 is mine, but your number will be different, but it'll be a, you need that COM port. Okay, so then go back to the software, run the shortcut, and then this very small window will appear, but don't be deceived by the fact that it's small because it's really good. So you've got memories, and we're at a couple now, but if you go over across, look at this, you've got all your settings there. How many are there? 60 settings. Okay, you've got memory A and memory B as well, selectable. So I think this is very cool. So anyway, let's add a memory channel. So we'll go to number 1. I've noticed that you can actually print off items. Let's go just quickly look. Read write, port select. So you want to select your COM8. Mine is COM8. I didn't change the speed on mine, but you can. Just make sure that speed, port speed, tallies with the speed on your actual USB. So you just right click, Device Manager, right click on Windows, Device Manager. I didn't have to do this, but I'm just showing you anyway. Ports, go to the port, the COM8, select it, right click, and then just go Properties. And then just make sure it's the same. Look, 9600, there's a drop down, and mine is the same. Okay. And you can also print, copy, cut, and paste. The speed, we did that. There's more copy, cut, and paste. Memory channel sort, and there's a help thing there, which is about. It tells you what the program is. So all this for free. So if we go to number 1, double click, and let's start to enter a repeater. So receive frequency. No, so it says here memory channel number. So let's go up to number 2. We don't want to overwrite anything. Simplex here. We're going to go 145.750 FM. Leave the step offset, so that's just minus or plus offset. We need a tone, and then we're going to go 94.8. The shift is here, plus or minus, so we want minus shift. And right, okay, so 145.750 FM, 94.8 tone. We're not using CTCSS. No, I'm just using tone, and we're not using DCS. We could even put it into a group. I'll leave it there for now. And then the memory name, we're going to call that one GB3 Bravo Charlie. GB3 Bravo Charlie. Click OK. It's there, and number 2. And then we're going to go write. I'll just write all. You don't have to write everything. I'm going to go yes. Okay, you can hear my radio in the background. That's it, right. So there's the actual radio. Let's do number 1. Double click. And we're going to do GB3FI. So 430.925. And it's again FM. Plus shift. Shift amount is 7.600. And tone is fine for me, which is 77. Leave it in the same memory group name, GB3FI. Click OK, and then write. So we could, if we wanted to, go in and do some settings, change some settings, as you can see. And then we go write all, or you can write just the memory channels and just the memory settings, all, and then we're going to go yes. And there you go. That's going in. I can't see anything apart from the radio beeping. I can see it flashing away here a bit. So let that run. So give it a go. Let me quickly show you the I'll close this program and I'll show you this really cool software that controls the whole radio. Let that finish. And it's all free. I still don't know why they discontinued such a good radio. I don't see the point. There's still a big market out there for this kind of radio. We don't always want the SDR type radios. And they really got it right with this one, didn't they? So anyway, memory mode. And then go to number 1, which is the one we just did. Not sure if you can hear that, but it's active. And what else? And then number 2, there's the other one we put in with the name as well. So let me just show you this memory writing software that we've also got. So we close down that program just to make sure. And you can save a file, and it's saving the file here, and I'm going to save it in my documents as TS-2000 memories. So now we'll go start. I've already made a video on this. This program is amazing, and it's so good because it was designed for a radio that didn't have a screen, the B2000. So it really works well. So let me, you can see my radio in the background. Let's go to control setup. We need to just make sure we've got the right COM, which is 8, and the baud rate is here. That's all fine. Click OK, and then connect. There's a slight delay, but I tell you what, once it gets going and everything works, the signal meter, all the menu settings. I never thought about memories. Memory in, memory group, memory to VFO. Will it let us save? Clear memories. Well, I don't want to mess up my memories right now, but look, if you can see, the frequency's there. It's in memory channel mode at the moment. Let's select the VFO. God, so much to select. There, and then we can go with the bands. Multimeters, tune. You can click this dial. I mean, it's good, isn't it? I mean, I could be here all day playing with this. Everything that's on the radio is here. Radio, record, noise blanker, antenna switch, look, antenna, tuner, tune, band, mode. So you have drop downs for everything. DSP. And then you have these front screen, and you can actually click on the, you know, the actual frequency and change it. Bye for now, 7.3.